Changing your bank account on Wix for your business is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your payment information effectively. Step 1. Log into your Wix account. Access your Wix account by visiting the Wix website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with your business. Step 2. Go to the dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to your site's dashboard. This is where you can manage all aspects of your Wix business, including payment settings. Step 3. Access payment settings. Secure your account before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update bank account information. In the Accept Payments section, find the current bank account information. Click on the option to edit or change your bank account details. Enter your new bank account information as required. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new bank account details, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button or similar option to ensure your new information is updated in the system. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account information on Wix will be updated. Make sure to double check that everything is correct to avoid any payment issues in the future.